Hello and welcome to my channel English with Mr. B. My name is Bharat and in this video I'm going to talk about gerunds. So watch this video till the end to clear all your doubts. What is a gerund? Gerund is a word that is formed by adding ing to the verb but functions as a noun. For example, dancing, swimming, writing, drinking, running, reading, talking, walking, cooking, painting, gardening, etc. You might ask, aren't these words verbs? Let us go a little ahead and try to understand the difference between verb and gerund. Let us look at these examples. Swim plus ing is swimming, write plus ing is writing, dance plus ing is dancing, and cook plus ing is cooking. The words like swimming, writing, dancing, and cooking are examples of both present participle verbs and gerunds. These are verbs when used as present participles and gerunds when used as nouns. Gerunds are nothing but nouns with ing suffixed to the verbs. Let us look at these examples for better understanding. She is dancing on the stage. In this sentence, she is the subject, is the auxiliary verb, dancing is the main verb plus ing, and on the stage is the object of the sentence. Let us look at another example. They are swimming in the pool. In this sentence, they is the subject, are is the auxiliary verb, swimming is the main verb with ing, and pool is the object of the sentence. In these two sentences, the words dancing and swimming are used as present participle verbs, so they are verbs, not gerunds. Now look at these examples. Dancing is a good exercise. In this sentence, dancing is used as the subject of the sentence, is the verb, and a good exercise is the complete object of the sentence. Why is dancing here a subject? Because in this sentence, dancing is the name of the activity. All naming words are nouns, so dancing is a noun with ing tacked to it, so it is a gerund. In English language, a sentence is framed in this manner: subject plus verb plus object. For example, he is writing a letter. He is the subject, is writing is the verb, and a letter is the object. Similarly, there can be many more sentences like he likes baseball, he has bought a new guitar, we are riding bikes, I am going to the office, etc. Questions, exclamations, and orders may begin in a different way and may not begin with a subject. Assertive sentences or normal sentences always start with a subject, and the subject can be either a noun or a pronoun. In our example, dancing comes in the subject's place, so dancing is a gerund in this sentence. Now look at these examples. I love dancing very much. In this sentence, I is the subject, love is the verb, and dancing is the object of the sentence. Object is either a noun or pronoun, so dancing is a gerund as the object of the sentence. Look at some more examples. Swimming is very good for our health. In this sentence, swimming is the subject, is the verb, and very good for our health comes in the object's place. So here, swimming is the subject of the sentence. Now let us move swimming to its object's place. She decided to go swimming in the creek. In this sentence, she is the subject of the sentence, decided is the verb, and swimming is the object of the sentence. So we notice that gerund can be the subject of the sentence or the object of the sentence as well. It is very important to note that verbs are doing words, but gerunds talk about actions. For example, if you say, he is jogging with his friends, jogging refers to an activity he is doing right now. So jogging is a verb in this sentence. However, if you say, I love jogging, you are not doing an action, you are only talking about an action. So it is a gerund. Remember, verbs are doing words, gerunds only talk about actions. Till now, we noticed that gerunds can appear as subjects and can also appear as objects. Besides these, gerunds can also appear as complements of the sentence. Some examples of gerunds as subjects are: swimming is very good for health. Writing is an exchange of idea. Reading is a very good habit. Walking is better than driving. In the above sentences, swimming, writing, reading, and walking are the subjects of the sentence. Some examples of gerunds as objects are: I love dancing. She enjoys cooking a lot. This is a nice painting. He hates waking up early. In the above sentences, dancing, cooking, painting, and waking up are the objects of the sentences. Now let us see how gerunds are used as the complements of the sentences. But before we do that, let us quickly understand what a complement is. In grammar, a complement is a word, phrase, or clause that is necessary to complete the meaning of a given expression. Complements play a very important role in making the meaning of the sentence complete. Look at this first example. The group's main goal is eliminating poverty. This sentence is incomplete without the word eliminating. If you remove the word eliminating from this sentence, it would be read as the group's main goal is poverty. This gives a very different meaning, so the word eliminating is very important. What is eliminating in this sentence? It is the goal of the group, so the word eliminating complements the subject, that is the group. So this is an example of gerund complementing the subject of the sentence. Let us look at the second example. I saw Tom riding his bike. In this sentence, I is the subject, saw is the verb, and Tom is the object of the sentence. The word riding refers to the bike that Tom is riding. So riding is used as the object complement in this sentence. Let us look at the third example. I am interested in improving myself. In this sentence, I is the subject, am interested is the verb, and in improving myself is the object portion of the sentence. What am I interested at? The answer is in improving myself. So the word improving complements the preposition in this sentence. This is an example of gerund complementing the preposition. Let us look at one more example. My favorite hobby is gardening. In this sentence, my favorite hobby is the subject, is the verb, and gardening is the noun that makes the whole sentence complete. So this is an example of gerund complementing the whole sentence. So one question could be, how to identify a gerund? Identifying gerund in a sentence is very easy. First, identify the subject and the verb in the sentence. Any other word with ing tacked to its tail is the gerund. So this is all about gerund. Hope you like this tutorial. If you have found this tutorial to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when new videos are uploaded. See you next time with another video. Thank you very much.